When it comes to alarm systems, manufacturers recommend testing them monthly. The first thing you should do is contact your alarm monitoring center and let them know you will be testing your alarm. They will verify your authority by asking for your password and will then put your system into test mode. This means that the monitoring center will not dispatch the authorities when the sensors are triggered. Once you have your system on test, simply arm your system like you normally would and proceed to activate your sensors one at a time. This is a typical brown wireless door window sensor and a typical white wireless door window sensor. As you can see, the brown one is mounted to the door moving part and the magnet is mounted on the frame. The white one is mounted in the opposite fashion. They both work the same. It just depends on how the installation needed to be done at the time of setup. In order to test the sensor, you move the two parts away from each other. This one is set up to chime, and you will hear the chime when I move the door out of the way. This is the traditional hardwired door contact. The only part of this sensor that you will see in a door or window frame is the ends. One is mounted in the door, and one is mounted in the frame. When a door opens, it opens a zone. Once the pieces move away from each other, it opens the circuit and triggers the alarm. This is a typical alarm keypad. When you open a door, it shows that the zone faults. When you shut the door, it goes back to the ready mode. This is a simple way to check if your door and window sensors are working properly. Once you complete activating your sensors, disarm the system like you normally do to shut it off. Depending on the type of alarm system you have, you may need to disarm twice to reset your alarm. Then, call the monitoring center to verify your signals. Once the signals are verified, ask them to end the test session, which puts your system back in normal operation.